Hello, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Amanda Howard of Amanda Howard Real Estate here in Huntsville, Alabama, and I wanted to update you today with Teresa Haygood from Superior Bank. She is one of our preferred lenders, and we have a lot of happy clients who have used her over the past. And we're getting a lot of questions that have been asked of me lately, such as, is now a good time to buy? How does it compare to purchase today versus a year ago? How can we boost our credit score? And also, is now a good time to refinance? Say if you purchased your home a few years ago or you refinanced a few years back, because of the rates being so low today, should they refinance? Well, I'm very good at what I do in real estate, helping people purchase and sell and understanding our market and where we're at today, but I am not an expert in the mortgage and lending industry, so that's why I rely on Teresa Haygood here. So Teresa, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Well, the first question I wanted to ask you was about that purchasing. How is it different purchasing today versus a year ago? How would those payments look?
For instance, a year ago, rates were about a point higher than they are now. So let's say you purchased a $200,000 home at 4 7/8. The same payment today at 3 7/8 would be about $100 less. So it's giving you a lot more buying power today.
Wow. So today being the points at 3, or the interest rate being at 3.78, that's fantastic. And then $100 less payment on a $200,000 purchase, that is quite a bit of savings when you're looking at a payment right now. So it's a good time to be purchasing a home, obviously.
It is a great time to buy.
And now on our side of things, I'm looking at the cost of purchasing a home. Right now, the homes in our area, though it is still at a steady growth, or we're at a steady economic time for our home selling, we are still seeing them at low rates or low purchase prices. So it is a better time to purchase. There are some people that really need to move and they're tired of waiting the longer days on market that we are seeing today. So they are selling their homes for quite a bit less, some of them up to 5% less than what we were seeing even a year ago. So it is still a great time to purchase, obviously with the combination of the rates and great home prices. Now, the other thing is I've been getting a lot of people asking about how can they improve credit scoring. So what can they do? I've heard about a great program that you have that can improve your credit score very quickly by 20 to 30 points.
It can. What we'll do is we'll pull their credit, and we have a simulator that they want to say they need maybe 10 points to get either a better interest rate or to even qualify for a loan. Mm-hmm. We put this in our module, and then it will give us a scenario of if they'll pay this credit card down to this balance and this one down to this balance, it will potentially boost their score. And I've taken that, and within a week's time, I've gotten someone's score up 30 points, and they were able to purchase a home, and it just thrills them.
Can you believe that? 1 week and boosting your credit score 30 points. That's amazing.
It is, and it costs this borrower less than $300.
It costs them $300, and it's actually not even a cost. It's paying off some credit.
Right.
So it was all to their benefit.
It was.
That's fantastic. So see, again, things like this is what is going to make a difference to you in purchasing, and why you need to be giving us or Teresa a phone call. Now, the last question that I had was about refinancing. There are people who have purchased or refinanced several years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. They're at a pretty good rate, say they're at 5.5% interest rate. It's a great rate. But with today's rates, it's still a lot of people are going, now should I refinance?
As a good rule of thumb, and what I'm seeing is a lot of people that are on 30-year mortgages, they're going down to a 15, and a lot of times their payment's not changing much. The 15-year rates are basically right in the low 3s. But a good rule of thumb, if you're comparing a 30-year to a 30-year, if you can save a good point to a point and a half, and your mortgage is say $200,000 or more, then that's a good savings for you to refinance. Okay. But I have refinanced people honestly in the last 3 years, sometimes twice already. So it's a great time. It's a great time it's a great time to buy, but it's a great time to refinance.
So that's amazing. I mean, if we were at say 5.5% interest rate and we refinance today to from a 30 to a 15-year note, how would that change my payment? Would I be, knowing that you couldn't know exactly, but say I'm at a $300,000 home, would I be about equal in payment or just slightly above?
You would probably be slightly above depending on how long you'd had that 30-year.
Okay.
But your payment may not change, it may go up $100, $125 a month, but you're cutting your terms off, and saving a ton of interest.
That's fantastic. So again, today is a great time to buy. We've got great interest rates out there, great prices on our homes, amazing programs to boost your credit score. So give us a call today. You can reach us at 256-799-9000, or you can visit us online at amandahowardrealestate.com and start shopping right away. But we look forward to talking to you soon and keeping you updated weekly. Feel free to tune in here anytime at Amanda Howard Real Estate. Have a great day.